I reviewed many EV chargers, and after all that, I think this one from LENZ is still one of my favorites. If you want something simple, if you don't want yet another app on your phone, this could be for you. It supports EV charging at up to 40 amps. It's a great plug-and-play solution with a NEMA 1450 input plug, and the output cord is 24 feet long. This cord here is durable, yet very pliable. It works well in summer and winter, and inside we have 3 10-gauge wires, which is good for 40 amps. If you have a NEMA 1450 outlet, or you can get one installed, the rest of the installation for the LENZ charger is dead simple. You screw in this wall bracket into some studs in your wall, and then the EV charger slides into place and locks with this pin. Then we have this separate holster, which you can also attach to your wall, and it holds up the connector and the cord. It's got this high quality rubberized universal J1772 EV connector with a really clicky release button, which I really like. And this will support charging most EVs except Teslas, which will need an adapter. But the company's telling me there will be a NACS native version in the future. To charge my Tesla, I use a J1772 to NACS adapter. One of these will come with a Tesla, or LENZ is happy to sell you their own version as well. So this simply just plugs in, and you can see there's communication between the car and the charger, and green means that we're charging. And here we are now pulling 40 amps or 10 kilowatts from the LENZ EV Charger. And I really like this product. I had it for over a year, and I think it's right for you if you want something simple to use and easy to install.